He's wearing himself out. This broken ball. Oh, I gotta wash all this furniture outside today. It's heavy. He busted that ball up, so I try to give him different balls every day. So this is what we call woozies. It's pretty out today, but I think it's gonna rain. Come. Crazy. You out of breath? He needs his ice water. Get it, 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 get it. Come on. We finally got shit done. I rearranged everything yesterday and kind of getting everything cleaned up a little bit. Out with the old, in with the new. Come on, Bush boy. Gotta love it. It's so quiet here today. I'm just kind of chilling. One of my best buds was supposed to visit me today, but he got caught up. So hopefully soon he'll come visit. Yeah, I've got to clean this furniture. It's been outside. Moving the wood furniture out here. And then just going to kind of spray